Hello, welcome to um, Virgo Philippines. So, reading natin to for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates, guys. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, okay? Or, pwede mo rin akong itry. Meron pa tayong mga ilang available na reading sa aking channel. Ay, sa aking TikTok. Wait lang guys, nagkakaroon ako ng problem sa aking ilaw ngayon. Ayusin ko lang po. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, simulan na natin. Yung aking TikTok shop, Unipree, i-search mo na lang sa TikTok. Ayan, pag nag-avail ka ng bracelet na available natin na may kasamang reading, ayan, pwede kita mabigyan ng reading. Ikaw ang mamimili, tarot reading, astrological, palm reading. Ayan, so let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Wait lang, nagugulo ang ating cards. Isang shuffle na lang po. Love reading to guys. Kung gusto mong makakonsentrate or nakakonsentrate ang reading sa sa career or what, check mo na lang yung ibang videos natin. And meron akong mga in-upload na video regarding astrological reading. If you are interested dun sa isang channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan. And check mo yung iyong rising sign kasi doon ako nakakonsentrate ng reading sa astrological reading. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Virgo. Ayan, you do have your Six of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Eight of Swords, Ten of Wands. Actually, nakikita natin ito as tulong regarding finances. Either ikaw ito na pwedeng during this time, pwede magkaroon ng tulong na ma-receive. Or ikaw ito na magbigay ng tulong sa iba during this time, no? Pagdating sa finances, sa career. Or, if you are thinking of, may mga something kang sisimulan or tatapusin with the Eight of Swords, whatever this problem that you have, either sisimulan na may kinalaman sa money, so pwedeng simulang negosyo, etc. Or mga tatapusin, o yung iba, sisimulang job, bagong trabaho. And or with the Eight of Swords, mga problema mo na tatapusin mo, alin man dito ha, kasi dalawang energy. Nakikita natin yung pagtulong ng mga taong ito with the Six of Pentacles. They are showing us people na pwedeng might scare you. Mga taong maaaring matakot ka sa judgment or ano yung sasabihin or gagawin nila, or maybe they are just people na natatakot kang sila yung maging in control. But anyway, this is like a fun energy para sa'yo. Kasi nakikita natin na kahit wala kang masyadong gawin, you are surrounded by people na yun nga, pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. Especially kung ikaw itong may mga problems, may mga taong nandyan na maaaring hindi mo pinapansin, hindi mo pinakikinggan, pero nandyan lang sila. If you need help, they are there. But some of you, kung may mga sisimulan ka, yan, nakikita rin natin itong mga taong ito na pwedeng maging makatulong sa mga sisimulan mo. Okay, let's move on to the next. Some of you, if you need help, this is like the perfect time to ask for help. Kasi pwedeng mag-create ng big change ito para sa'yo. Anyway, wait lang. May nahulog pala akong ano dito. What do we have here for the sign of ayan. Pagpasensyaan mo na guys, meron din akong Virgo sa aking chart. So, talagang umaariba na naman ang aking pagka-perfectionist. Nagsimula pa kanina. Parang hindi ako mapakali dun sa wire na hindi maayos. So, inayos ko kaya na wala ang ilaw. Anyway, who is this person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love? Okay. Pagdating sa love, this person is a 10 of Cups and the 6 of Wands. So, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Pwedeng kilala ito ng family mo or may relationship kayo through family. Okay, maybe either kilala siya ng parents mo, kilala mo, or kilala niya yung parents mo, or maybe may connection kayo dahil sa mga I'm seeing anak, so children, so pwedeng ganun. But with the 6 of Wands, I feel like may mga bagay siyang inaayos ngayon with regard sa buhay niya or sa home niya. Yeah, with the 5 of Cups, I feel like there's a lot of problem, a lot of chaos, a lot of hindi magandang pangyayari ang nangyayari ngayon sa buhay nitong taong ito. Tell me more about the situation ng person na ito. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo, please. Ano yung situation niya? The Tower. Okay. Some kind of ending with the 6 of Swords. Trying to move on. Itong person na ito, inaayos niya yung buhay niya. May mga problem. The Star and the Sun is at the bottom of the deck. The Page of Cups. So, some of you, kung ang inaayos niya, kung ano man yung mga nag-end, I feel like itong person na ito, tinatry niyang mag-move on dahil maybe because of the Ace of Pentacles, so may mga new beginnings, or maybe the Sun and the Star, this could be, has something to do, or maybe with the Page of Cups, could be may kinalaman sa children, may kinalaman sa, ito yung dapat, or ito yung tama. The Star and the Sun, this is what is causing this person's happiness. So, pwedeng, kung ano man yung ending, or inaayos niya, yun ay dahil ayaw niyang mawala or magkagulo dahil dito sa bagay na nagpapasaya sa kanya, or this person is letting go of the negativity. I feel like it has something to do with you, so this could be a past person, so nagle-let go or umaalis or nagmo-move on itong person na ito with regard sa inyong relationship, sa connection ninyo, para tahimik lang yung lahat, no? And especially if there are other people na involved dito, this person is let's say, I feel like sinasabotahin niya yung sarili niya, or hindi siya completely nagiging honest sa sarili niya, pero wino-workout niya para magkaroon ng improvement. Okay, so anyway, ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? You do have here the 6 of Cups and the Judgment. The Chariot is at the bottom of the deck, and the 10 of Swords. The way I see this, you are focusing on yourself May mga nire-remove ka, tinatanggal ka sa sarili mo na negative during this period, no? You're giving limits to yourself, limitasyon. Maybe with regards to this person or sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo sa buhay mo, especially maybe may kinalaman sa career or daily activities. Some of you, with the bottom of the deck, you are moving on, and I feel like may iba sa inyo na nag-take ng risk or willing na mag-take ng risk just in case itong person na ito ay magkaroon ng lakas ng loob na magkaroon ng connection with you or what, or because of this challenging times between the two of you. You know what you want, what you want with the Judgment, and with the Six of Cups, I feel like marami kang gustong i-share, sabihin dito sa person na to, but you are having doubt or um, maybe tinatry mo lang i-balance, ayaw mong maging masyadong obsessed or ayaw mong i-address itong mga bagay na ito. Like kung ayaw niya, maybe some of you, this connection, ikaw ang mas nagiging open. So, yeah, kung ayaw niya. You're just, you're just there kung dadating itong taong ito. And the Ten of Swords, because of this ending, nakukuha natin na mas nagfo-focus ka na lang muna sa whatever stable is in your life right now. Okay, so let's move on to your person. Ano yung emotion nitong person na ito patungkol sa'yo? Okay, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and Nine of Wands. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Two of Wands, the Sun, and the Star. I feel like itong person na ito is may nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi siya nakakapag-reach out or nagre-reach out talaga. And I told you, if there are children involved, which is one of the main reason para sa iba, and maybe even marriage or home, something to do with home, ito yung nagiging dahilan. And with the Knight of Pentacles, I feel like itong person na ito is hinahayaan niya lang kung ano yung nangyayari sa inyo. And nandun yung pag-avoid or pag-iwas nitong person na ito. Na sa ngayon kasi yung attention niya nandito sa group of people or home. I can see home. So nandun yung kanyang attention. And maybe also with regards to work. Anong gustong mangyari ng person na ito? Anong gustong mangyari ng person na ito? By the way, sorry about the noise, guys. Medyo, ginagawa ko tong reading medyo busy or marami ng tao sa amin po. Usually, pag nagre-reading ako madaling araw or gabi. Okay? Pero, ngayon medyo maaga-aga. So, medyo maingay po talaga. Four of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. So, ang gusto niya is magkaroon ng stability, gusto niya magkaroon ng growth, gusto niyang ayusin kung ano man yung mga bagay na dapat ayusin because ayaw niyang masira, ayaw niyang magulo, ayaw niyang like this person, lalo na if you're dealing with someone na may mga collection or mahilig sa mga bagay, material na bagay. So, with regards to that, ayaw niya ng may sisira or makakasira doon sa with the Four of Wands, whatever itong binuo niya or kung ano yung pundasyon or stable sa buhay niya ngayon. Yun yung gusto niya. The Eight of Cups and the Knight of Cups, I feel like this person wants to wants a better future. Ganun. Gusto niya ng maayos na future. Kaya parang isasakripisyo niya lahat. Especially if there are children. So, gusto niya ng maayos na future pagdating sa mga anak. So, isasakripisyo or gagawin niya lahat. Na although there's something sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito, hindi iyon ang mas mahalaga sa kanya ngayon, yung connection ninyo, but rather yung kung ano yung meron siya. So, sana nakaka-relate ka doon. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the future, you do have the Two of Swords and the Two of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Swords, the Chariot, and the Seven of Pentacles. With the Two of Swords, I feel like, and also with the Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles, I'm seeing this as separation because of material na bagay na involved sa inyo. The Queen of Cups, I can still see you loving this person, nandun pa rin yung emotions mo para sa kanya. And, it's hard dahil you are more aware of the connection na meron sa inyo. And you are the one who might be mas willing na magkaroon ng fun or sabihin na natin love affair. You are more open to that, especially na nakikita mo ito as maybe a spiritual connection. And I'm seeing also na you are not yet satisfied pagdating sa buhay mo. You want more with regards to this person. You want sex with him or her. And but the Two of Swords and the Two of Pentacles, ito yung connection niya na parang like ang decision ng person mo is no, we can't do this, parang ganon, hindi pwede. And there's pag-avoid or pag-iwas, and also there's a lot of imbalance energy in the future sa inyong dalawa. So that is happening here. There's separation. And then the Ten of Swords, it's kind of like an ending sa connection niya with the Chariot, which is, I feel like tapos na, parang ganun. Tapos na. Parang it's time to go, no? Kasi during this time, you need to focus on ano talaga ba yung mas importante. Kasi sa nakikita natin, hindi yung spiritual connection ninyo yung mas importante ngayon, but rather maybe kung ano yung mga dapat mong matutunan, kung ano yung dapat mong evolve pa sa sarili mo, maybe kung ano pa yung dapat mong ma-reach, because you have a lot more to do, no? And continue on loving yourself. And what is the advice for our Virgo? Please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. You do have here the Hierophant and the Seven of Wands. The Fool, nakukuha ko yung energy ng reversal, so I will read this in reverse. So, yung advice sa'yo is wag kang mag-take ng risk sa person na to, because yung pagte-take mo ng power or pagte-take mo ng risk will just transform you, no? Nakakita tayo dito ng transformation sa'yo. And this will only lead into an ending ng connection ninyo, no? And also, be more useful, if you are being more dramatic or madrama yung buhay mo, etc., home, sa sarili mo, I feel like kailangan mong pigilan or matutunang i-handle yung mga emotions na yan. Kasi, unfortunately, itong person na to cannot help you with that. No, hindi kanya matutulungan. At hindi siya ang makakapagpabago niyan. Ikaw lang. And then you do have here the Hierophant. The Hierophant is a teacher. So, kung ano man yung connection ninyo, maaaring nagsilbi lang itong lesson para sa'yo, for you to improve yourself. Seven of Wands, you're trying to fix something na hindi naman kaayos-ayos, or you're pinapahalagahan mo yung bagay na hindi naman dapat pahalagahan, or tao na pinahalagahan mo na hindi naman dapat pahalagahan. Yeah. And yeah, the Three of Wands is here, so continue on doing spiritual work na makakatulong para sa'yo, sa sarili mo, no? Kung paano mo ito mas magiging maayos pa, and kung ano yung mga taong or bagay na dapat ma-let go mo yan. Yun lang. Nine of Swords, this problem, this emotion, ikaw lang makakapagpabago nito, makakaalis nito with the Wheel of Fortune. Yan, baguhin mo yun. Okay? By fixing yourself. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.